Well, Tokhtarmambetov looking to be the second Kyrgyzstan wrestler in the semi-finals tonight.
Knows what it's like to record success in Bishkek. Won the Asian Under-23 Championships here 2 years ago. Tokhtarmambetov.
Tokhtarmambetov, the man in the centre now. Again, as we can see, Jaideep being warned for passivity. Usually when you do demand the centre like this, you will be seen as the offensive wrestler, especially at the start of the round.
Jaideep on the activity clock now. Still nil. 0-0. Tokhtarmambetov playing the smarter 2 minutes of wrestling so far, and now a decisive move in this first round, but it's defended well by Jaideep. And the counter for 2. Kills the activity clock and has the lead. Jaideep with a brilliant recovery.
Well, great work there, just off that first initial scramble. As his opponent is getting back to his feet, shoots him from the distance and switches his position, goes from the single leg head inside, pops his head outside, brings him to his back for the exposure for 2 points.
At the break, Jaideep leading 2 points to nothing. What's the message from Tokhtarmambetov's camp, George?
Well, his first shot was good, but it was a little bit too far away, so he needs to try and get a little bit closer, close the distance, move his opponent around a little. Great single leg there, and then switched it directly. Jaideep there, took the 2 points. Great work. You see a lot of people try and go around that right-hand side there and end up scrambling too much. This time, realizes the door is shut on that right side, pops out the other door on the left side.
Tokhtarmambetov gets in here.
So far, no point. Great defensive work from Jaideep there. Tokhtarmambetov needs to try and posture up like he is doing now. Turn into his opponent, take his time, don't rush too much. Will get the 2 in the end to get behind.
Jaideep so nearly contorting his body out of that. Flexibility of the Indian, very impressive, but still 2 points on him.
Tokhtarmambetov, great with that left side outside single. He does it so well. He needs to try and work on that a little bit more. Again on that outside single, needs to posture up like he did in the first exchange. Can't afford to let Jaideep pull him over with his hips there. Great work. Tokhtomabetov there needs to take his time though. Try and bring that leg a little bit higher on the outside. Beautiful scramble from both wrestlers. Nobody scoring a point in that exchange.
That clean opportunity not present for either. What will both wrestlers be worried about, George, at this point? Minute to go.
Tokhtomabetov needs to be careful with these shots coming in from Jaydeep though, which he just did. Went for. He needs to be careful of the offensive coming in from him. And Jaydeep needs to up the tempo now and try and score those points. But also be wary if I do shoot and it's not good enough, my opponent can counter me and then I'm definitely out of shooting distance then of trying to win this match. So many factors going on with 44 seconds left on the clock. Tokhtomabetov doing a great job holding his opponent here in this front headlock position, not allowing him to get out. Great job every time he stands to his feet, bringing him back down so the referee can't call a stop in the action.
Last 10, Jaydeep needs to score. But Tokhtomabetov will hold on.